Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious vegan lasagna. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. I'll make a start by finely dicing one medium-sized onion. Next, I've washed and de-seeded one small red pepper, and I'll dice that up into a fine dice as well. I'll also finely dice one small courgette. And next I've washed and diced into small cubes, depending on what part of the world you're from, a small aubergine or eggplant. To a large thick bottom pan, I'll warm up 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll get the chopped onions fried under a medium heat until soft. Once the onions are soft, I'll add the rest of the veggies. I'll also add to the pot 255 grams of finely chopped chestnut mushrooms. After cooking on a high to medium heat for 15 minutes, you can see I've no liquid in the pan and the vegetables have cooked down nicely. I've turned the heat down at this point and I'll add 3 large cloves of crushed garlic. I'll give that a good stir and let the garlic cook out for a couple of minutes. Next, I've washed and drained 100 grams of dried red lentils and I'll get those stirred in. Then I'll go in with a tin of chopped tomatoes, that's 400 grams. I'll fill the tomato tin up with water and stir that in. Turn the heat up now and I'll add 1 crushed vegetable stock cube. Once I've stirred in the stock cube, I'll leave to simmer for 20 minutes with the lid on, checking and stirring in between time. So time to make the cheese sauce while the vegetables are cooking. I've melted 3 ounces of dairy-free butter, and to that I'm going to add 3½ ounces of plain flour along with 2 bay leaves. I'll keep the butter and flour mixture moving under a very low heat and allow to cook out for a couple of minutes. I'm using 800 millilitres of almond milk, and I'll add a small amount at a time and whisk that in thoroughly. I keep adding the milk in small amounts and whisking thoroughly until I'm left with a smooth, silky sauce with no lumps. The sauce has thickened, so I'll turn the heat off and I'll grate half of a fresh nutmeg into the sauce. For a cheesy, nutty taste to my sauce, I'll be using this vegan nutritional yeast, and I'll add 3 heaped tablespoons full. And I'll get that combined into the sauce really well. I'll add a generous amount of ground black pepper to taste. And also salt to taste. I'll give that a good stir and remove the bay leaves and set to one side for now. My vegetables and lentils have simmered now for 20 minutes, and I'll add 2 big handfuls of washed baby spinach. I'll just stir the spinach in and it will soon wilt down. Once the spinach is wilted, I'll go in with 2 teaspoons of dried oregano and a generous amount of ground black pepper. I'll get that stirred in really well and take it off the heat. Now we can start to put this lasagna together. I've preheated my oven to 200 Celsius and into an oven-proof dish I'll load some of the vegetable sauce first. Next I'll put 1 layer of egg-free lasagna sheets. Then more of the vegetable sauce on top. Another layer of lasagna. Then lastly, I'll pour the thick, creamy, cheesy sauce on top. I'll now pop the lasagna in the oven for 45 minutes at 200 Celsius till the top is golden brown and the lasagna sheets are cooked all the way through. And there we are, after 45 minutes our vegan lasagna is ready. I'll just leave it to stand for a couple of minutes. So there it is, vegan lasagna with a flavour-packed veggie sauce and a delicious nutty creamy sauce on top. I hope you get to give it a try soon. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Drop me a comment, and for more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.